Rub soap on the front door. Yes, regular soap. It may sound unimpressive, but its properties might surprise you. Rub it thoroughly into the bottom edge of the door. Don't be stingy. It's especially worth doing this on balcony doors, where dust and small particles often collect. You can also gently spread soap on the bottom window frames. A thin, well-distributed layer is enough, especially on the sides and in the corners. It works quickly, leaves no traces, and ants start avoiding these areas entirely. There's one more simple method. Grate a bit of soap, preferably using the coarse side of a grater. Pour it into a small bowl and add a tablespoon of instant coffee. Mix it. Tear off a piece of aluminum foil, cover the bowl with it, and poke a few holes using a toothpick. Set it near the door, including balcony doors, somewhere it won't get stepped on. 2 simple steps. Neither of them seems like much, but give them a few days, and ants will never visit your home again.